Hello, this is Randy Pauli with Elburn Co-op on Agronomy Sales, and today we're going to, the question is, when do we have to be concerned about switching herbicides to control weeds in emerged corn? So today, as we're out here in the field and we've got emerged corn, as that you can see, what we need to do is find out, first of all, what stage is the corn plant in. So as we come down here, we have to look for the number of leaves that we have on the corn plant here, and we count the colors. You can see here we've got 1, 2, we're at the 2-leaf corn stage. So we have to be concerned that some products that are still can be used up to 3-leaf stage. So we're getting to that critical point where we might have to switch herbicides. But in this instance, at this field, we're looking at using a product called Triple Flex for residual weed control, and that is allowed up to 11-inch tall corn. So we are still good to use Triple Flex. But products like Corvus or Balance Flex, we would be concerned because they're only labeled for up to 3-leaf stage. The other thing here is in this field, we have to look at our weed spectrum, and we have this mustard plant that's coming up that we need to burn down, and us the little weeds that we have in this field. So a residual herbicide will not have activity on these weeds. So we're going to use a burn down such as Roundup or 2,4-D in with our Triple Flex to knock down the weed population here, and then hopefully get, depending on the weather, 4 to 6 weeks of the residual out of the Triple Flex to keep the weeds down, so that later on, if we need to come in the post-emergent, it holds back the weed pressure. But in here, as you can see, it's pretty uniform that most all of our plants here are at the 2-leaf stage, corn plants, so we're going to be good for our application we have planned. But it would be critical that if we were planning a Corvus or Balance Flex application, that we might need to scout before applying, because the corn is actually growing and close to the stage to where we can't use that herbicide anymore. The other thing is that Roundup is labeled for corn for up until tassel stage, so we might have to use Roundup, but at this stage we're very good. We could use Roundup as a burn down application to knock down these weeds that are present. And this is Randy Pauli finishing up with Question of the Week.